Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we're going to learn how to connect PHP to our computer so we can do this on our local host. So just go to this website here, apachefriends.org/download. I'm going to put the link in the description, so just go ahead and you can grab it there. I already got it installed, but all you got to do is click download because we're downloading xampp. This is what we're going to need to run our PHP on our computer. There's also for, you got Apple and Linux, but I really just know about Windows. And so download that, just say yes to all the prompts, and then once that's installed, let me back up here. So you need to go to your C drive. Okay, that's where we're going to do our back end at. That's where we grab our xampp, which basically connects us to the server with PHP. And so click on that, go to Windows, and then right here you'll find xampp. So go into xampp, and basically there's one more step we got to do. So scroll down, you want to find the control, xampp control exe. Click on that and something will pop up. If you don't see it, just hit alt tab or something. It might be behind somewhere, but yeah, that pops up. As you can see, it's already running for me. So you only want to run Apache and MySQL. Just so hit start and start here. Give it a few seconds and you'll be all set to go. Then after that, you just close it down. So going back to xampp, then just go. So let me start from the beginning. Go to Windows, Drive C, go to xampp, and in our htdocs right here, this is where we put our folders at for our projects that are going to be PHP.